Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a pendant and I'm going to use an open bezel, and this is just going to be a quick and easy pendant to make, and it's great for a gift if you need something in a pinch. So let's get started. First you'll need some tape, and I always make that little notch. I fold it over so that I can take my tape off easily, and then I just notch this end again and then put the tape aside. Now you're going to put your open bezel on your tape. Stick it on really good because we don't want the resin to leak out from underneath. We have some various flowers and some ferns. I think I'm just going to use the flowers. Just going to cut a few. Maybe put a blue one in there. I think that might look nice. Okay, so we'll just do a little bit of resin first. And we'll spread it around. Make sure you get that resin right to the edges. Get rid of your little bubbles. And you can place your flowers in. I think this one I'm going to cut a little bit shorter. I think I'll do one more, just a small one. Place that there. And let's see if I have any little buds on here. I've got one little bud. Okay, so the bud looks like it may need a little clipping. It's a little too long of a stem. Okay, now that they're in there, we can cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, once that's cured, we'll do a top coat. And when you do the top coat, you're going to actually dome it. But be careful so it doesn't go over the edges. And then we'll cure it for 90 seconds. It needs one more layer. And remember, don't put too much because then it will overflow on the sides. We don't want that. So just move it along to the sides carefully. Now, I thought I got the bubbles out, but I didn't on one, but that's okay. It still looks good. Cure for 90 seconds. All right, now that it's cured, we can remove it from the mold. Oh, it removed nicely. That's a first. So then what we need to do is we need to drill a hole, and you can use a Dremel. I have this cordless rotary tool that I had purchased off of Amazon. It was rather cheap, and it's nice because it's cordless. And you just need a really fine drill bit or one of the filing burrs to make the hole. And you have to look at it carefully, so where you want your center to be, and you don't want to drill it through the flower, so you have to be really careful. And you also don't want to hit your bezel. And I got it right under, as you can see, right there. Okay, oops, got a little dust here, got to clean up. Okay. All right, now that it's all cured and drilled, we can make it into a pendant. And now I have the sterling silver pre-made chain that I had purchased. And then I have some jump rings. So I'm just going to use a 6mm for this. I don't think I need anything larger, because this is sort of thin. Just open this to the side, place it on there, just put your chain on it, and then close it up. I sometimes have 2 pliers because sometimes I'm not able to close up the jump ring, but in this case it was rather easy. So here you have your really pretty summertime pendant, and I think it's beautiful because it's dainty looking, it's pretty, it's perfect for summer. Even if it turns over, you still have the flowers there. So if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.